Welcome to today's video. I'm out in the hills with Lawrence and Sav. Lawrence is making loud noises. And he's just got back from his trip where he rode from London to Edinburgh. And then didn't ride back because he's lazy. Hopefully that softened up his legs a bit and today's ride will be easy. It's also going to be 37 degrees today. Toasty.
You said you're weird talking to a piece of glass all day. Like just talking to yourself.
We are weird talking to a piece of glass all day. I'm actually talking to the people inside here, Sav.
Yeah. There's 20,000 people inside that round. Impressive.
Why does your bike make so much noise?
He doesn't wash it. He doesn't look after it.
They're nice, but they're like mini ones.
Poisonous one.
Yeah.
Sav's a great descender, but we're better, so we're gonna hide from her before she gets around this corner.
Mate, that descent was so fast.
I know it was fast, wasn't it? Yeah. I love descending.
Me too.
You're not funny. That's not even nice.
How did she find us? Hiding place was so good. It was. I could barely see you, mate.
I could have died. You know how hot it is? I'd have been lost in Surrey.
I'm sure you've been alright. You're pretty resourceful, unlike us. You're the fill-in for James.
That is the best Coca-Cola in the whole world.
Well, this one
Literally tastes like Coke.
It's not even a Coca-Cola, mate. It's Karma Cola. I haven't seen you in ages because you've been riding to Edinburgh. Where's your video about it?
It's coming then.
You rode the whole way to Edinburgh in 2 days?
Yeah. It's quite a long way. You did 500k in one go around a 1k circuit.
Yeah.
So it can't have been that bad, surely. No, it was great fun. Yeah, we had beautiful weather. It was exactly a week ago, and it was 37 degrees. It was so bad that Dan got heat stroke.
Hottest day of the year.
Hottest day of the year.
Good day to choose.
Got a good tan. Yeah, it was great fun, and I made a video which will be going live this weekend. Most likely tomorrow for day one, and then day two was a lot hillier. For about 80% of the whole ride I was with people, because I put it online and I said, this is the route, come and join me if you want to, and I had so many people come out.
That's amazing.
It was so cool. And
was there any point you were like, this is too hard? Was it alright?
The only point was on Friday night at like 10 PM, I still had like 25k to go, and it was pitch black, and it had rained, I had punctured, I was miserable, I'd run out of energy, and it was not fun at all. But we made it, and when I got there I had some fried chicken in Harrogate.
You do the race, you know that.
Top quality nutrition.
Hot, hot.
Hot, 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 hot.
I fell over coming out of here before.
You do it again for the camera?
No, I put my cleat on the metal bit. I don't know how no one saw me. I went fucking flying.
Solid little ride in the hills done. It is now really hot. But I'm heading to a shoe fitting with James. My trusty road shoes aren't quite fitting as well as the mountain bike ones that I've been using. So I want to try and see if I can find a pair that'll fit me better. I'll come and have some air conditioning.
Oh yes. James, we need your shop for water, air conditioning and morale.
Yes, it's 3D printed ceramic speed OSPW, £1,350. Saves you 0 watts when your chain's covered in filth.
I've been riding my mountain bike shoes all the time and they fit like a glove. They fit really well.
They fit like slippers.
These ones are the wide version road ones. Shimano shoes, they're lovely, but look at the toe box.
You're having to clamp those down quite a lot, aren't you?
And I've had the normal version as well, the narrow ones, and they don't fit either, so it's like my feet are kind of halfway in between. So I'd like to be fitted, please.
Yes.
So have I got wide feet?
Not particularly. They're on the wider end of average. So every single person that comes comes to buy a pair of shoes from us at Bicycle is subjected to a foot assessment. We measure their feet with a Brannock device which standardises the sizing. We measure arch height and arch drop. and then we sell the right shoe accordingly. The biggest problem with the way that shoes are sold in bike shops is that you have someone walk in and you go, oh, I'm a size 10, I want to try this on a size 10, but they're not 10, they're an 8 with wide feet. So they end up with the wrong size shoe. I have, you know, loads of customers coming through here who have bought, you know, a pair of these at another dealer and it's the wrong shoe for them. It's way too wide or it's 2 sizes too big. The shoe is only as good as how well it fits you. So that is essentially what we do. You know, you can. Are we going to put a link to the booking system? We can do, I guess. So you know, we book some time with people. It's a £50 consultation, which is refundable against a pair of shoes, but it means that we get you in the right shoe. We're not interested in just selling you a pair of shoes. We're interested in selling you the right shoe, the perfect shoe, because guess what? This is the most important part. It's where all the power goes, or doesn't if you've got a pair of physiques.
It's so toasty.
You've chosen like the hottest day of the year to come and have your feet put into heat moldable shoes. Good work.
See you soon.
I'll see you Monday. Bike ride on Monday.
I hope you've been training.
No.
So I got Francis as a present a mug, and it's completely broken for his birthday.
Well, we opened it early because the package was rattling.
Yeah, and I've got work on your actual birthday, so I thought we'd do like early present, blah blah blah.
This is karma for
and
opening
it's
it early.
and it's completely shattered, but this is like it looks like an ordinary black mug, and then we're doing it in a bowl because it's broken. But you ready? What a shame you can't have a nice cup of coffee in there.
Goes back. Wow. Wow.
So yesterday I got a letter delivered at work, and it was from these viewers called Lizzie and Leon, and they sent us a really nice note saying that in the Elam Valley, isn't that where Jordan and Jess live?
No, that's Edale.
They found 2 GoPro batteries when they were out for a walk, and they're like dry and undamaged, so they sent them to, well, for Francis to use. But it's really cool and really sweet, and it's a really nice letter, so I just thought I'd say shout out to Lizzie and Leon.
Thanks for the batteries. So yes, it is in fact my birthday this weekend, so we need to go and drink like 15 beers. I'm going to sign today's video off here. Links down below in the description for Lawrence's epic challenge. I don't know if he will have uploaded it yet because it is Lawrence. I'm going to put the link there anyway to his channel so you can subscribe to it. Second link down below is for James's shop if you want to get a shoe fitting. I really hope you enjoyed today's video. Please like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you guys soon.